So we're gonna be making piri-piri chicken, probably the most famous Portuguese thing in the whole wide world, and you are going to love it. This week, I'm very excited. I'm giving you my Portuguese marinade that is a secret in my house. Secret is out, it's all yours. All right, so here we've got our piri-piri marinade for our chicken, and I'm gonna show you guys how to take this up a whole nother level. First of all, we've got some really fresh garlic. Then we're gonna go in with some smoky paprika. A little bit of fresh chili, just because I love it so much. And then we've got a piri-piri rub. And last but not least, some onion powder. Give it a good stir. All right, let's add a bit of lemon and a squeeze of orange juice. Traditionally, we would use the whole chicken, but pieces just cook so much quicker. And that's what we're trying to do here, is just make everything a little bit more easier. These are gonna go into the oven. Right, so it's time for us to do our corn. Now, a mealie should never intimidate you because there's really nothing to it. We just parboil these for about 4 to 6 minutes. And like you would do on a braai, you would char them to get that beautiful sort of charred flavor. We're gonna do it right here on the stovetop and just let it go until we start to get that beautiful color. And you get a lot of flavor from that too. All right, the feast begin. So we've got beautiful Portuguese marinated chicken that's done in the oven. We've done our charred corn, and we've got a lovely cauliflower mash, local produce with a Portuguese sort of twist on. Boom, happiness on a plate.